get you some. Oh, yeah. Mate, it's lucky she can cook. Wow.
Well, hello, and welcome back. Alrighty, today we're doing something different. So this is how it all went down. Last night I was in the bottom of the freezer because I'm getting really low on everything, and I found this packet of thin cut loin steaks. So they're pork steaks and they're thinly cut like this. I don't even know why I bought them. So anyway, there's 8 in the packet, and as you can see, they're freaking tiny, and I thought, alright, what am I going to do here? So this is what I did. I grabbed out 2, and with a mallet I flattened them, set them aside for a minute. So I went through everything I had, and it's like, okay, I had some red apples, so it doesn't matter what ones you've got. So I'm going to use half an apple. I cored it and peeled it, then grated them. Okay, into a little bowl. Then I added an equal amount of grated cheese. Now I'm using the shelf life grated cheese, but you can use any cheese you've got. So I put roughly the same amount in. Then I had a little bit of sour cream left over in the fridge, so I stuck a tablespoon of that in there. Now then I got some fennel seeds, but do it in your hand first because they're really strong, and you literally want just the tiniest little sprinkle of them. And now I'm just going to get a fork and mix it all together really well. Once I've mixed it in well, I'm just going to use half a mix because I've made enough to do 2. So if you want to do the whole packet of 8 pieces, you'll make 4 schnitzels. Now if you've got like the really thick proper ones, then what I would do is I would say, pretend this is a really fat one, I would get a knife and put it through the middle of it and make a nice big pocket in the middle of it. Then I would beat it down on both sides and then open it up and stuff it. Alright, so I left a little tiny border around it because it doesn't matter, it all mushes through and it's fantastic after anyway. Then I'll sit the other one the same shape on top. Alright, even it all up so it's all on top. And then for some reason, I grabbed my mallet, I don't know why, it just makes me feel better. And I just did a little mallet around the edge of them. Like a so. So I'll just do that with the other one. Got out a bowl, put a light layer of breadcrumbs in the bottom. Got out another bowl and put some little bit of breadcrumbs in there. So this is to make 2 up, remember? So if you want to make the 4, double everything. Chuck an egg in a cup with a dash of milk. Whisk it up. Pour into another nice big flat bowl. Okay, sit our first one on top and just basically get your fingers and rub it all over. Okay, once we've done that, pick it up whole, lift it out into our breadcrumbs. With a spoon, sprinkle our other breadcrumbs over the top. Push it down nice and firm around the outside and just be a bit gentler in the middle. Then just grab it and just keep doing it until we've got it all covered. Okay, once we've done that, lift it up, gently turn it over and just sprinkle some extra ones on this side and just pat it down gently. So wherever you can see the filling, I just fill it in with some more breadcrumbs and just push it down on those little bits on both sides. Once we've done that, we just stick them in the fridge like that for 20 minutes. Alrighty, 20 minutes later, now you get out whatever frying pan you're going to use for however many you're going to make. Now any type of oil, I'm using olive oil, but you can use any oil you want. You want to line the base in the oil, okay? Because what we're doing is deep frying them, but in shallow oil, alright? So as long as the whole base is covered. Now I've got it on a medium heat, so because we've made them paper thin, they take bugger all to cook. So basically we're going to put them in there and make the crumbs all beautiful and brown and crunchy. As soon as they are, flip it over and do the other side. When the crumbs are ready, the pork will be ready. Lift one up, place it in there. Okay, a couple of minutes later, when that side's nice and crunchy brown, carefully tip them over. And cook the other side. Now look at the size of that compared to what we started with. Once the other side's toasty brown, onto a plate with some paper towels. Now you can serve these up any which way you want to. Mashed potato and veg. We did them with chips and salad. So now I'll just cut it straight through just to show you. Check that out, mate. I can't believe it. They turned out absolutely freaking awesome. So what I'm going to do is just sit down and work out the exact measurements for you, and I'll write it all down below in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have yourselves an awesome night, and I'll see you soon. Toodles!